Hello everyone, and welcome to Racext. Are you ready to take control of your motorcycle and learn how to keep it in perfect condition? Today, I'm here to introduce you to the Motorcycle Mechanics course by Racext. This course has been designed to transform you from simple two-wheeler enthusiasts into mechanics capable of handling any challenge when it comes to the maintenance and repair of your motorcycle. The engine is the beating heart of your motorcycle and is crucial for its performance. In our course, we will delve into every aspect of the engine, how it operates, and how you can keep it in perfect condition. You will learn to recognize the symptoms of problems and effectively address them. Daily maintenance makes the difference between a motorcycle in excellent condition and one showing signs of wear and tear. We will guide you through a detailed daily maintenance checklist, including checking the oil level, tire pressure, lighting, and much more. The fuel system is responsible for supplying fuel to your motorcycle, and proper maintenance is essential. You will learn to clean the carburetor, replace air filters, and professionally manage the fuel injection and carburetor system. These are just some of the topics covered. Are you ready to become motorcycle mechanics? Our Motorcycle Mechanics course at Racext has been designed to make this a reality. Whether you are a beginner or already have some knowledge, you will find a wealth of valuable information to enhance your riding experience and save money in the workshop. Sign up for the course today and start your journey to craftsmanship. Don't waste any more time, and soon you will be riding your motorcycle with more confidence and competence. Thank you for following us, and sign up via the link below.